To enable high ping in The Sims 4, you need to adjust some settings that can affect your game's online performance. Follow these steps to ensure you can experience the game with the desired ping settings. Step 1. Access Game Settings. Open The Sims 4 and navigate to the main menu. Click on the Options menu to access the game settings where you can adjust various gameplay features. Step 2. Adjust Network Settings. In the Options menu, look for the Game Options tab. Within this section, find the network settings where you can modify your connection preferences. Step 3. Enable High Ping. Once in the network settings, look for an option that allows you to enable or adjust ping settings. Set this option to high or adjust the slider to increase your ping as desired. Step 4. Save changes. After making the necessary adjustments, make sure to save your changes. Look for a Save or Apply button within the Options menu to ensure your settings are updated. Step 5. Restart the game. To apply the new settings effectively, exit The Sims 4 and restart the game. This will ensure that the high ping settings take effect and you can start playing with your new configuration. By following these steps, you can successfully enable high ping in The Sims 4. Enjoy your gameplay.